guys, welcome to my channel. As the title say, we doing another DIY. I am building my desk and I am also building my chair. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. As you can see right here, I am cleaning my area. This is where my desk and my chair is going to be. Right here, I'm sorting out all the pieces and what goes with what, making sure everything is in the box. And of course, you should always make sure you have everything in the box. In this clip here, I am spray painting all the metal parts of the desk, meaning the legs, the thing that cross over, you will see. But I'm spray painting it metallic silver because that is the theme that I wanted to go for. They didn't have the metallic silver, so I decided to spray paint it. Just make sure you wear gloves when using a spray paint, because it got on everything. So wear gloves. Okay, so in this clip it started raining. I spray paint as much as I can. So what I did, I spray painted off camera on a flat surface and I let it dry overnight. As you see here, we're gonna start on the chair, and I did wear gloves because I did use the spray paint. So yeah, we're working on the chair now. Look at the backrest. I love the backrest. This velvet, you know, I'm looking for the glam look, so of course I had to have the little diamonds on them. So that's just me here, sorting out everything, taking everything out of the box to make sure everything is there. Once again, everything is supposed to be in the box, so always check. And like I always say, these items coming off of Amazon are pretty easy to put together. Very easy to put together. You don't need nothing expensive. You don't need nobody else to come over and put things together for you when you can do it yourself. So, like I said, it's very explanatory and very easy to put together. Alright y'all, day 2, we back at it with the desk. So this is a continuation with the desk. The desk came with all its parts. Look how the legs turned out. And here's the chair. It came with everything. It came with a flathead and a screwdriver. In this clip, we're starting off with the leg and the base of the desk first. So you guys will know this video was recorded in October. That's why you hear the Michael Myers theme song. So yes, in October, late upload. As you can see here, I like to sort out and make sure what goes with what and that everything go according and what comes first. Like I said, it was very easy to put this desk together and also putting the chair together. I enjoy it, and of course I'm gonna always buy something from Amazon and keep building. This is how the desk turned out. Turned out pretty good, but I'm not done yet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set up my desk. I have brought a dry acrylic eraser board where I can put little notes on. I'll also link that on the description box. And I have bought that calendar. It comes with the month and then the numbers. But I will definitely link everything that I purchased in the description box, okay? This right here is called punch and stick. It have scissors, ruler, staple remover, stapler, and a tape dispenser. So yeah, and as you can see, everything is in acrylic. That was the look I was looking for. Left out the tape dispenser and the staple. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is the end result.